Namaskar students, we started unit 1 in industrial stoichiometry, that is unit systems, and did some conversions, and I also explained some of the conversions on board. So practice it. If any query, let me know in my personal contact number. Okay, now let us discuss some definitions which is included in chapter 1, like force, pressure, work, energy, volume, etc. Now let us discuss one by one. Okay, first one is force. Force is proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. That means in symbol we can write it force proportional to mass and acceleration. Okay, now in terms of proportional I have to use equal to, then by replacing this F is equal to, we have to add constant KMA, where F is equal to force. This is constant, mass, acceleration. Okay, the unit of force in SI is Newton. MKS kilogram force and CGS dyne. Okay, I again repeat, force is proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. Okay, now pressure. Pressure is defined as force acting per unit area. Force, that is pressure, we can say it is capital P. Force acting per unit area. So now the unit of force is Newton. Unit of area is meter square. It is also known as Pascal. This is SI unit. The unit of pressure in SI is Pascal or Newton per meter square. MKS kilogram force per centimeter square. FPS pound force per inch square. In short we can write PSI, pound per square inch. Pound per square inch. Pound per square inch. PSI. Okay. Now in pressure, what is absolute pressure? The normal pressure, which is regarded also known as absolute pressure. What is absolute pressure? The sum of the gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. What is gauge pressure? Gauge pressure is the pressure recorded or measured by a gauge, or it is a pressure measuring instrument. So it is measured by instrument, and atmospheric pressure is the pressure surround the atmosphere, or it is the pressure by air on the surrounding, is called atmospheric pressure. So the absolute pressure is the summation of gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Okay, now in pressure there is a one definition is also there. What is vacuum? The pressure less than the atmospheric pressure, or we can say pressure below the atmospheric pressure is known as vacuum. Vacuum, generally the unit of vacuum is generally referred as mmHg and torr. Okay, now work or energy. Okay, we can say that work, that is W, or energy is defined as the product, that means the sign of multiplication, the product of force acting on a body, that is F, and the distance traveled by the body. Okay, work or energy is defined as the force acting on a body and the distance traveled by the body is known as work or energy. In SI unit, what is the unit of work or energy? SI unit, that is joule. MKS, meter into kilogram force. CGS, it is earth. Okay, now heat. Heat is a form of energy. It is a form of energy which flows from as a result of difference in temperature. Heat is a form of energy which flows as a result of difference in temperature. The SI unit of heat is joule. In MKS, kilocalorie. In CGS, calorie. Okay, got it? Now power. What is power? It is the amount of energy. What is power? Amount of energy. What is the unit? Amount of energy, that is transferred or converted per unit time. Amount of energy transferred, or we can say converted per unit time. Okay, SI unit is watt, or we can say joule per second. MKS, same unit, watt, we can say joule per second. CGS, what is CGS unit of power? That is erg per second. Okay, one of famous unit of power is HP, horsepower. Okay, we did some conversions of watt to power, or watt to HP. Now volume. Volume is a three-dimensional space What is volume? Is here three-dimensional space occupied by a, or it is occupied by a surface, or it is a closed surface. Unit, SI unit of volume is meter cube, MKS liter, CGS centimeter cube. These all definitions are important and asked in exam. Okay, now learn it, and if you have any query, let me know or write in a comments. Okay, thank you.